Hey everybody, Bob and Zach here with Tile Pro Source. Wanting to give you a tip on when you receive the new iQ252 bridge saw from us. One of the things we do to help you in unboxing it, as you can see, it is shipped vertically. It's laid up on its side. Every one of these units that we ship, we put an arrow on facing the direction that the saw is going to lay down. I know some of you guys are receiving this as one man, and I definitely recommend enlisting a helper if at all possible to turn it over. But what we don't want you doing is flipping a $5,000 saw upside down or on its side when you receive it. So as you can see, it ships vertically. We're gonna pop the top off of it first thing. And we're just gonna grab it by the back side. It's gonna slide off of the pallet. We're going to pull the bracing off using a 5/8 ratchet. They package it up really well so it doesn't get damaged in shipping.
Yep.
We're going to loosen this knob on the side of the power head. We're going to release the safety lock. I'm going to slide the head down, pull out more of the bracing. It'll automatically lock back in place. We're going to loosen up the safety knobs here. The safety knobs do not unlock the legs. They are just secondary backup to the leg. The legs are actually unlocked with a lever here. So one man can actually pick it up, pull the lever, legs drop down, and click into place. And then you're going to want to tighten your safety knobs back up again. Same thing on the other side. Safety knobs, loosen them up a little bit. Just going to pick up on the saw, pull the lever, drop it down. Saw's set up, ready to roll. We're going to tighten our safety knobs back up. And now the saw's ready to pick up and move into place just by lifting up on it, easily rolling it by the wheels.